Okay, so let's start with this microphone here. So that's a professional BPH-S1. Got the AKG microphone on here, and you see and you hear an instant difference here because the room acoustics coming in. And this is because I'm pretty far away from the microphone. And so if I'm now getting closer to the microphone, then the quality is instantly getting better. Anything further away, then the quality will suffer. Yeah. So and that's basically the only rule which needs to be obeyed. So the other option is to keep the distance between the speaker and the microphone constant, is using a clip-on microphone. And so so that's a clip-on microphone here. And so yeah, so you hear that's now activated. So the clip-on microphone is obviously gives a bit of room acoustics. It's astounding that even if the sound comes out and goes this direction, that the microphone down here picks it up actually really good. Especially the gaming headsets, they are very often quite nice in quality. So this headset is also semi-open, so so you can still hear yourself just without foldback there. So that's now the laptop microphone what we have on here. So you see if I touch that, then we have the laptop microphone here, and that's basically probably as somebody who's been for 6 months in the lockdown. Those people who have been suffering through Zoom sessions, they basically have the pleasure to listen to colleagues roughly at this quality here. And so that's speaker microphone distance 20 centimeter or less. I hope you have learned a bit about this audio session here, and then just happy Zoom recordings.